In Unit 20, here is our new list of spelling words, our review words, and new words. Our review words are airplane, appear, compare, share, disappear. Our new words are 12, minute, office, promise, and improve. 12. The number in a dozen is 12. There are 12 donuts, 12 eggs, and each one is, this is a dozen donuts and a dozen eggs. 12. Minute. How many minutes are in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. Minute. Office. What do people do in an office? They have important meetings, they file important paperwork and complete paperwork, phone calls. Working in an office, in any setting, is very important. Office. Promise. When you make a promise, it means you're going to do what you say you will do. Have you ever made a promise? Did you keep your promise? Improve. How would you improve the school day? What would you like to do to make it better? Improve. The next 5 words are imagine, private, solve, passage, and opposite. Imagine. Close your eyes and imagine what it would be like to be a superhero. Do you get a really awesome superhero costume or an outfit? Do you get to fly through the air? Or you have a special superpower? What else are you imagining to be a superhero? Are you saving people? Imagine. Private. A private place is where there are not a lot of people. If you want something to be private, you only share with close friends. Private. Solve. If you have a math problem, you solve it to get the answer. If you have any kind of problem, you try to solve it to make it better. For this math problem, you have to solve how much each flower is worth to get this answer. Solve. Passage. Passage has 2 meanings. It can be a way to get somewhere, like a hallway, like this first picture here. We can also talk about a passage in a book, a few sentences or paragraphs we talk about. Here's a passage about superhero Joey. Passage. Opposite. What is the opposite of night? The opposite of night is day. Think in your mind some other opposites. Maybe what is the opposite of hot? It's cold. Good, opposite. Your rules this week are the consonant LE syllable. For instance, here's one right here, stable. Okay, you need to, you'll be looking for this LE during the word sort, and we'll go over how to code this tomorrow. Okay, stable, and you'll look for this LE at the end with a consonant in front, so BLE. And it's coded with an L at the bottom and a line through the E. Burnt out. Burnt out E. So this is a silent E. Burnt out magic E. Sometimes there's a power failure where no magic sparks fly. All that is left is a burnt out magic E. What is the purpose of a silent E in these words? There are different meanings for each one. So You'll be looking for this pattern when you're doing your word sort. Silent E's at the end, and it has its own purpose. So here's your word search. You're looking for, not word search, a word sort. Okay, so you will be writing at the bottom, looking for the patterns. So here's look for that. So 12 would go here. You see an L and a VE, or a VE, sorry, a VE at the end. T, W, L, V, E. The next word we can look at is minute. Minute. I do not see a pattern like CE, VE, GE, SE. So we're going to put minute over here. Oops. Sorry about that. Minute over here at the end. The silent E. Minute. All right, the next word, office. We see it has a CE at the end, so we're going to put it over here like Prince. Office, it sounds like a C. Office, and we'll do one more together. Promise, promise. If you look over here, like house, so there's SE at the end. So we'll put that here, promise. Oops. Promise. And I'll go ahead and do one more. I'll do 5 of them with you, and then you try and do 5 on your own. And you see how this has improved. You see there's a VE at the end, and that's going to go over here with live. There's a VE. Please complete this in Shobi and ask your teacher if you have any questions. And we'll be going over the rules again more tomorrow for some more clarity. Okay? Hope you have a wonderful day.